Hello everyone, friends. Today we're diving into a platform where we can make some good money together. So why are we getting into this? Right now there's a really nice hype around Binance's BNB area, guys. As you know, CZ launched a token called 4meme. We shared this with you on this channel while we were at 15 million in brand value. Friends, and I even mentioned that I would buy it, and I did in the video. Later, 500 million went to the brand team, guys. We made more than 30 captains in profit. The $1,000 purchase I made in the video became $30,000. Friends, and who has made how much money from whom? To our viewers. I congratulate everyone for watching this. Friends, if you've made some good money too, please mention it in the comments. Let's talk about how much everyone has earned in the comments. CZ's support for the Binance Smart Chain network has also come to an end. The test mint token launch on the 4meme platform has also come to an end. There's been a nice hype around the BNB network. By the way, the investment style isn't noise, but I think the price of BNB has still gone up. It can continue to rise, friends. Now today I'm going to share with you how we made thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars with Solar. From memecoins. We did this thanks to bots. We did this thanks to some great websites that we can analyze well. Friends, now we have another great bot that we can analyze well. Our BullX bot. Using this BullX bot, we will see how we can buy some meme coins the moment they launch on the BNB network. Together, maybe CZ. Even he could launch a meme coin, friends. Even Trump launched a meme coin for himself. Why wouldn't CZ launch one too? So we're waiting for a real-time contract address? Right now, you can have a Metamask wallet or bot platforms like BullX. We're waiting in real time, friends. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the BullX platform. What I'm going to talk about is that when an opportunity to make money arises, we should catch it instantly and buy in beautifully at the lowest point. For those friends who missed the previous video, they should also take their share from the opportunity with BNB. Friends, what do we do before the video starts? Of course, we like the video. Wait a second. Everyone liked the video. Let's continue. Yes, friends. Now, as you know, in our previous video, we talked about the Form platform, which is the meme token platform next to BNB. Now, we made our purchases on this platform using Metamask. Now, friends, we will do it very quickly with a bot. On Solana, you have Phantom, and on Ethereum, you have Metamask. Metamask on BNB isn't very fast, friends. To be fast, we need some bots like this. It's really easy to use. You'll see it in a moment. Now, in the previous video, the test token dropped from 19 million to 8 million while I was editing the video. We bought the test tokens at 8 million and it went up to 500 million. Here, some of our friends made 60x and I personally made 30x. The Baker was at 18 and here, the ND was at 15. They're currently hovering around 2x. So right now, later on, somewhere, we can say that the hype around meme tokens has passed, friends. So what are we going to do? To take great advantage of this hype, friends have started using these bots. Look, right now the test is at 177 million. The Baker has reached 30 million. The ND has also reached 30 million. And the Banana for Scale is at 25. If there are any of my winning friends who watched the previous video, I'm waiting for you in the comments. Let's talk about how much everyone has earned. Now, this is how the BullX platform looks, friends. The first link right below the video will be the registration link. You'll click on the link. As soon as you click the link, look, it sends you to Telegram, friends. I've just opened my Telegram for you. When you click the login button here, it opens Google Chrome for you. Friends, look, your Google Chrome tab is opening. I'm clicking the next button. Look, it's immediately selecting a here. I'm going to make transactions in a moment. That's it. I think the hype at the last moment has suddenly passed. That's why I'm making a transaction in this area. Yes. I'm going to deposit money in the BNB area. Right now, friends, I've selected the BNB area. Look, it already told me the wallet image here, and this is the QR code for my BNB area. I copied the wallet image and clicked the Start Trading button. Look, my Telegram username is also written at the top right. As soon as I say open, it opens my Telegram again, friends. Yes, now friends, as soon as you enter the site, what do you need? I need some money. We need BNB, friends, because we're going to make transactions in the BNB area. Now look, you have your positions here. I'll show you all of it in a moment. For this, friends, I need to send money to this portfolio of mine. Look, right now I have zero. I have nothing. Look, I've come to the wallet manager and selected BNB from here. I'm clicking the Add Funds button from here. Friends, they gave me my address again. I'm copying. Now, friends, it can be your Metamask or your Binance wallet. It doesn't matter at all. From here, you need to send BNB to yourself. Friends, so how do we send it? We copied our wallet address like this. Right. Now we go to our Metamask. Let's say you have BNB in your Metamask. From here, you click the send button. Look, I'm pasting my address like this. Look, the end of my address is there. Yes, and it starts with 0x. Yes, everything is correct. You choose how much BNB you want to send and see that I can send a maximum of $52 worth of BNB right now. Because I have that much BNB in my account, guys. Yes, you can determine this completely according to your own needs. When you click the continue button, it sends it directly anyway. In fact, come on. Let me send $6 worth of BNB to show you this. For example, I click the continue button. I'm going to send $0.04. I click the confirm button. Look, sending from MetaMask, it's very simple like this, guys. You don't have MetaMask, you have Binance TR, IT doesn't matter. What are we doing right away? We're going to turbinance.com, guys, and we're opening our account. If you don't have a Binance account, you can register for Binance using the registration link in the tool for free. Yes, now I've done the identity verification part for our Binance account. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to withdraw my balance from here, right guys? You can go directly to the deposit and withdrawal transactions from here. And if there's no money here, you can instantly deposit your money directly from the bank. I'm coming to the withdrawal transactions from here, and I will say that I'm going to withdraw from here. Now I'm clicking on crypto and I'm selecting BNB from here. Look, we need to pay attention to being on the BNB Smart Chain Web 20 network. Guys, what are we doing? Again, in the BNB recipient address section from here. We come to this list and we copy your address. Look, and it ends with DA and starts with XD. I'm coming, guys, I'm pasting it. It ends with, I'm checking. It's very important to check this because if your computer is smart or your phone is smart, it will know if this address is not correct. I paid attention to this, I checked it. I'm going to buy 0.1 BNB from here, guys. I'm going to withdraw from here. We scroll down to Binance and we press the send button. The codes are coming, guys. Let's send the codes right away and log in. I approved it. Look, right now, 0.1 BNB is on its way, guys. Yes, now let's refresh our page like this. As soon as we sent it from MetaMask, it was already 0.01. And now I've sent another 0.1 BNB from my own Binance TR wallet. What are we doing? Right now, we've really made some great profits. We even say BNB. We already made a lot of money with your tweet. So why are we entering here? I'm showing this in a very brief way. When you went to Twitter, we said that the guy knows something, and we got this token in the previous video. Sometimes in life, there's no need to question too much, guys. What did Elon Musk do with his profile picture today? So, a guy named Harry Boz did this. We shared it directly on Coinbase News. We shared it with a market cap of $500,000. It went to a $20 million market cap. Guys, it just shot up like 40 times out of nowhere. So our money, of course, since we bought these with small amounts, it doesn't really satisfy us that much in terms of profit, but you're making money out of nowhere. Harry Boz launched Solana. I think CZ will do a lot of this on the BNB network. Because after this Solana hype, he probably wants to take advantage of it. The test token has already seen this. With the test token, both the price of BNB increased and the money flowing into the BNB network was observed. I think CZ will also support this platform, the 4meme platform, and then meme tokens. These will support it on BNB. These are the acceleration tactics. They're ice cold platforms, guys. Now I'm going to explain the platform in a bit, but why do you need to get in? I'm talking about these. Of course, nothing I say is ever investment advice. BNB has woken up from its sleep. It has come out of its cage. He's now tweeting things like it's time to wake up, guys. So, CZ, he doesn't usually tweet like this a lot. If he's tweeting like this, I think he knows something. Repeating, guys, please look. He also made explanations about TST here. I think this event will continue with BNBA. That's why I'm looking at this liquidity for you today. I'm also explaining BNBA to you guys. It's not on the Solana network. Now, guys, we've also sent our BNBs here. We now have the fuel we need. Now we come here, look, you select which network you will be operating on from the chain section. Look how it used to be. We were using the Solana network here, and we made some really nice tracks on the Solana network. Look here, as soon as you select the Solana network, you can see the tokens that are coming out every second. You can make direct purchase transactions from here. It's working quite nicely. In the new pay section, you can see the newly launched tokens like this. Today we're using the BNB network. The same processes I'm describing. You can also do it on Solana along with Solana. Friends, if you send it from your Phantom to the left, how will you send it? From here you come to the wallet manager. Look from here, the left is already coming out directly. When you click the add funds button here, it gives you your wallet address and you send this to Solana. You can send as much Solana as you want. In the new page, you can already see the tokens on Solana when you arrive. So what are we doing now? Right now I'm going to make transactions on a new network, not Solana, but you can use it the same way on Solana. Alright guys, we've arrived now. Here I can see the tokens that are coming out on the BNB network in real time. Also, if you haven't registered on the Formium platform, I'm leaving the link to the Formium platform down below. Register on Formium in front of you guys. Money is flowing in the BNB network right now. Right now, really. Look, a lot of coins are being released every second. So how do we buy straight from this list? Let's say a friend sent you a CAO. What are we doing, guys? We saw a token that is listed instantly on Formium. We don't know because Metamask is very busy at that moment. You can directly get it from the BullX platform or CZ. He tweeted this time about a different token with TSD. Let's say, what are we doing directly? We're coming to the BullX platform. Look, I'm writing it up, guys. What did CZ do? Let's say CZ has an academy. For example, I wrote Google here. Look, here a token just came out. How much is it right now? 650. I think it's around $650,000. Exactly, it's been around for about 10 months. This is a mini token. For example, you want to buy this, you can buy it directly from here. Instantly, you can buy it directly with amounts like 0.01 BNB or 0.02 BNB, guys. Or let's say your friend sent a message, for example. Harry Boss posted it on his Twitter today. We click on Harry Boss. Let's copy the address like this. For example, your friend sent this address. I just sent you the address I copied. You want to buy it directly? What do you do instantly? You come to the BullX platform, guys. I'm pasting it in the search section here. Look at this address. Harry Boss just came out directly. From here, if I want to buy 0.01 BNB, I can see that the market cap is currently 95K. If I want to buy 0.01 BNB, I can buy it directly from here. By the way, look here, the settings section, guys, it's a small area. Let me zoom in a bit. Let's enlarge the screen like this. Look, by going to the settings here, let's click on settings. See here, there are buy settings and sell settings. So there is a section for buying and selling settings. Here, you can lower the rate of RFE. Guys, for example, this is plus 3 GV, plus 1 GV, like that. For example, I'm not using this at 3 right now. I usually use 2. We can do it like this too. You can enable this. Guys, while you're trading, you can buy at a higher price thanks to some bots. And you can sell at a much lower price. At the moment, enable or disable, this is up to you. It doesn't vary too much anyway, but I usually leave it on enable. We also showed the buy settings section. Now what we're doing is closing this. My slippage setting remained at 20. From here, I'm setting my slippage to 10, for example. Sell everything at 10%. Different trading is good for me. Right now, yes, now I've closed this too. Now look, when you hover over it, it already shows up here. It says 2. It says slip on 10. I'm going to buy this 0.01 BNB at a market cap of 91K. Look, I clicked the buy Harry Boss button. The transactions have started. Look, 0.01 BNB. I just made a purchase transaction. Look here. It's showing in my order section, guys. You can see the point where I made my purchase on the chart. I made a purchase of $6.3. Now I can come to the sell button and make a sale transaction again. I came to the sell button. You want to sell 100% of it from here. There are numbers like 50% enemy and 75% enemy. Let's click the approve button from here. First of all, yes, now the purchase transaction has been completed. Look, it's for selling too. In the same way, from here you can click the sell button and choose how much you want to sell, and you can make your sale transactions like this. Guys, now we have learned how to do ASAT. Here, guys, you can also set your automatic settings. Here are the newly launched tokens like Farcana. For example, there's already a token called Farcana, but the guys have released it. There are some settings, and here you can see the market cap, for example, $187,000 in market cap. If you click on price here, you'll see that the price is 1.87 and the chart changes. The price is being reflected on the chart, guys. Here, you can set your graph to seconds or minutes. On Avalon Web, you can see how it has been distributed among different people, guys. Here you can see the trading activities of the giants or your own trading activities like this. Now, think of this as TradingView. In fact, it directly pulls from TradingView. The data, here you can even use indicators, guys. Is there any text here, meaning do token holders or anyone else receive text from these trades? You can see that there is no text at all. As for security, there seems to be an audit rate of 25 to 29, guys. They have already identified 4 security issues with this. You can also adjust this part if you want. Guys, should this be 01 or 02? These are also in the settings section. Look here, BNB is at 0.01. For example, you can change it to 0.0011. It's completely up to you. Is it 1 BNB or 0.05 BNB? Look, for example, I want to set this to 0.02 and this to 0.04. For example, I will use BNB like this. Let's say save chance now and close it. Look, this has changed, guys. You can use it completely according to your own preferences. Now we've learned about the assets and we've understood what the terms here are for. We can register using the link below. Guys, let's pay attention to this as well. What are we doing next? There was 1 pollution, just like 2 purchases. Harry is standing still. It's showing my cheese. Look, I have a permanent loss of 0.02 here, so this can't really be called a loss. There will be an airdrop here in the future. To do this, you need to register using the link we left below, and as you trade here, you will earn rights to the airdrop. The BullX platform looks like this, guys. Here, you can see all the positions you've taken in trading up above. Look, right now I see Harry's position up there. When you click on it, it shows your current PNN. Using BNB in real time was like this. Using Solana in real time is the same way, guys. There's already a section here called Power Vision. This is the part I use the most. This place is currently working very well with Solana in real time. I hope that BNB will come in real time in the future. Now, let's say you've made some money here or done something. We want to get out of here now. How are we going to get out, guys? I sold this right away. Look, I pressed the sell button. Let me see, has it been sold? Yes, it has been sold, guys. What are we doing? I went to the portfolio or wallet manager. I went to the wallet manager. I pressed the withdraw button, guys. It says to me, add a withdrawal wallet. I pressed this one too. So what are we doing now? This time you can say deposit money to Binance TR and send your money back to Binance TR from here. Look, I've arrived to Binance TR. I pressed the deposit button on Binance TR. I selected crypto. From here, I selected BNB. I immediately selected BUP20 from the right side. I pressed the copy address button. It ends with 30. I came to BullX. I wrote down the BullX Emine building. I also wrote the 37 EFL address in the wallet address. Yes, I pressed the wallet button. Yes, look, I added my wallet. Look, here it will activate my wallet with an average of 3 hours. My withdrawal transactions. Withdraw is just like this, guys. You come from here, I selected BNB. I want to send this much BNB here. You write deposit here. For example, if you want to withdraw an effort up to the registration, it says to select 100% from here as well. Our wallet will be activated soon. Once it's active, I'll select it from here and press the withdraw button to send it directly to Binance TRM. Guys, I saw the transactions I made for buying and selling like this. Finally, you can also see your own asset location look like this. This is quite nice, by the way. I like this one too. Now guys, it was this easy to use the BullX platform in the BNB area. We can quickly enter the BullX platform and make transactions instantly, just like that. Guys, you know, Trump and Melania, the left network got really congested. People couldn't buy or sell and carry out transactions. In the BNB network, I will send my BNB here and wait, guys. Right now, I opened a new account with 0.1 BNB and showed you here. I will be waiting here on alert with a certainty. I hope you made some good money. Friends, let's give this video a like right away. Leave your comments below. If you have any good questions, feel free to ask and we'll answer all of them. Goodbye, take care.